Hey kids, it's Writing Thursday. Today in our writing session, we are learning to explain the function of the opening statement in an information report. Your success criteria today will be if you can explain that the opening statement introduces the topic of the report and the group it belongs to, and give examples of other things in that group. Our genre is informative. Our text type is information report that we're learning about this week. The opening statement. What is its purpose? What does it do? And why do we have it? The opening statement is an introduction to your information report topic. It has a general opening statement to state the topic of the report. It then introduces the group it belongs to, such as the animal or thing in a large group, such as bird to owl, and can give some other examples of things in that group, such as eagle, sparrow, and crow. Earlier in the week, we've already had a look at some reports. I wonder if you can think of the opening statement again. Here's an example of an opening statement. This is the opening statement from Seabirds that we read earlier in the week. Many birds depend on the sea for their food. Wading birds, penguins, gulls, and pelicans hunt and eat fish and other sea creatures. In this opening paragraph, we're going to have a go at identifying some parts that we need to include in an opening statement. In this opening paragraph about seabirds, I want you to have a think about what's the topic group and what are some other things in that group. What I want you to look for is what the topic group is in this paragraph. Can you work it out? It will appear in blue. I also want you to think about some other things that are in that group that get mentioned in this paragraph. That's another feature, an important thing you need to include in an opening statement. Pause the slide now and have a think about if you can identify these two things, the topic group and some other things in that group. Once you've had a look and a think, go to the next slide and we'll see if you got it right. Well done if you could identify the two important parts of this opening statement. What's the topic group? Birds, specifically seabirds. And what are some other things in that group? That's right, wading birds, penguins, gulls, and pelicans. Our independent task today, that we're now going to have a go at, is writing our own statements, our own opening statements. It's my turn. I've already thought of a topic that I'm going to write an opening statement for. I'm going to think of my topic group, and some other things that belong to that group. Let's see if I've done all those three things, and then let's see if you can identify them. I'm going to read my opening statement now. Centipedes are a type of mini-beast. Mini-beasts, such as snails, beetles, earwigs, and slaters, all live in damp, dark places on the ground. Let's see if I've included the important features of an opening statement correctly. What's my topic? And also what's my topic group? And what are some other things in that group? I want you to have a look at my opening statement about centipedes, and I want you to see if you think I have included the correct parts. Pause the slide now and have a think, and write something down even if you like. Let's see if I've done it correctly, and also if you can identify the parts correctly in my opening statement. Well done if you identified my 3 parts of my opening statement that I need to include. And well done me for putting them in correctly. What's my topic? That's right, centipede. What's my topic group? What group does my topic belong to? That's right, mini beast. I could have also, instead of saying mini beast, I could have written that my group was insects. And what are some other things in that group? Snails, beetles, earwigs, and slaters. I included them too. Now you need to remember that you don't have to include every single other thing in that group that you can think of. Just maybe 3 or 4. Now it's your turn. You're going to have a go at writing your own opening statement. I'll give you some topics for you to choose from. You just need to choose one. Dog, snake, shark, bee, or koala. They're your topics. Can you remember the things you need to include to write about in an opening statement? If you've got your topic, what are the other 2 things? Let's go to the next slide and see. All right, let's see if you can remember what you need to include when you have a go at writing your own opening statement. You need to remember to write these things. 1, your topic animal. 2, the group your topic animal belongs to. And 3, some other animals that belong to that group. And I know if you've been doing the awesome inquiry activities that you'll know lots of different groups that animals belong to. Good luck, and share with someone else once you've finished. If you'd like a challenge, choose your own topic animal to write an opening statement for. Good luck, kids.